Hello everyone! So, welcome na naman sa aking kwarto! Yay! So, na ginagawa nating classroom, no? So, ngayon magdi-discuss na naman tayo ng isa pang forms ng lines. Pero recall muna natin yung dalawa nating diniscuss last time. Namely, yung point-slope form and the slope-intercept form. Ito sigurong dalawa yung pinaka-importante na form ng line kasi halos lahat ng tanong sa lines masasagutan mo pag alam mo yung dalawang ito. And for the point slope, recall lang natin, kailangan natin ng slope at saka ng point to get the equation of the line. And for the slope-intercept, we need the slope of the line and the y-intercept. So ngayon, interesting yung gagawin natin kasi actually nakapagsagot na tayo ng specific example nito sa previous lesson natin. Pero gagawin natin general, no? So let's say, this is our line na nakalapat sa xy axis and your line has x-intercept A and y-intercept B. So, ibig sabihin ulit ng x-intercept kung saan tumatama yung graph sa x-axis, y-intercept naman kung saan tumatama yung graph sa y-axis. So, ang tanong ngayon, give an equation of the line. Okay, so bali kailangan lang natin pwedeng 2 points, tas makukuha natin yung slope, and then we can use point slope. Or pwede rin tayong gumamit ng slope-intercept pag alam na natin yung slope kasi meron tayong y-intercept. Okay, so kunin natin yung slope. Pero first, anong ibig sabihin ng mga points na ito? So for the x-intercept A, that is the point A, 0. Kasi nasa x-axis siya. So, the y-coordinates are 0. So, eto naman si B, nasa y-axis siya, so the x-coordinate is 0. And we can now compute for the slope. So, ano ang slope natin? Tago natin to sa x2, y2, x1, y1. Okay? So, b minus 0 divided by 0 minus a, which is this one. So, the slope is b over negative a. Pero pwede mo lagay negative doon, oh. So, gamit tayo ng point slope, ng slope-intercept form. Feeling ko yun yung mas madali, no? So, the equation of the line is y equal to mx. But what is our m? Our m is negative b over a. So, mx plus the y-intercept b. Arrange lang natin yan ha, para gumanda yung itsura. So, alisin natin yung fraction, multiply both sides by a. So, ano mangyayari? We get ay equal to, if you multiply this by a, we get negative bx. So, ano yung pag times by a, ito naman becomes ab. Tapos, lipat natin to sa left. Magkakaroon tayo ng bx plus ay equal to ab. Okay. So, assuming na hindi zero yung mga intercepts natin, no? Walang zero. So, divide both sides by ab. Okay. So, lalabas, x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. At ito na yung tinatawag nating intercept-intercept form of a line. So, sulat natin. So, it's x over a plus y over b equal to 1. Okay, so yan yung sagot sa tanong. As long as a and b are not 0. Kasi kapag nang 0 yung intercept, hindi mo magagamit yan. So, gamit ka ng ibang equation ng line kapag 0 yung intercept. Kapag 0 yung intercept mo, dumadaan ka sa origin nun. Okay, so bigay lang tayo ng isang example. Dinidiscuss natin to kasi baka ma-encounter nyo lang siya somewhere. Or pampabilis lang din mag-solve. So, sinulat ko lang yung result natin kanina. So, give the slope-intercept form of the line with x-intercept 3 and y-intercept negative 2. So, our A is 3 and our B is negative 2. So, plug in lang natin. Alam mo na agad yung sagot. So, parang shortcut siya, no? So, the answer is x over A plus y over B equal to 1. Or x over 3 minus y over 2 is 1. Kasi plus minus becomes negative. Pero ang hinihingi niya, slope-intercept form. Ang slope-intercept form, isosolve mo si y. Okay, so let us isolate yung y sa left-hand side. So, ito lilipat natin sa kabila. Magiging negative siya. So, negative x over 3 plus 1. To solve for y, you can multiply both sides by negative 2. So, distribute. Tapos, ito, minultiply ko to get y. Okay? So, magiging 2/3 x minus 2. So, ito na yung final answer. Okay. So, useful lang to kapag meron kang x and y intercept na non-zero pareha. Sulat nga natin yun. Kasi baka mamaya malimutan nyo na A, B dapat non-zero. Medyo problematic lang kapag paano kung yung line mo walang x-intercept, tapos yung line mo walang y-intercept. So, kung yung isa nawawala, no? So, ano kayang itsura nun? So, delete lang natin yung example na yan. So, ano kayang itsura nun kapag wala kang x-intercept, wala kang y-intercept? Let's say, ang meron ka lang ay y-intercept lang. Let's say, the y-intercept is B. And itong pink line, siya yung line mo. Ano kayang equation yan? So, horizontal line yung lalabas. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Sabi natin, ang slope ng isang horizontal line ay 0. So, ang equation ng horizontal line ay y equal to b. Pag nakakita kayo ng y equal to a constant, horizontal line lang yun. Tapos yung constant is the y-intercept. Okay, paano naman kung x-intercept lang ang meron? Let's say the x-intercept is A. So, ayan ang ating line, yung pink. Diba ang slope niyan undefined? Kasi ang problema, yung mga inaral nating forms ng lines, required ka ng slope kasi ito nga ang slope mo, undefined, no? So, ganito na lang, observe nyo na lang, na kapag kumuha ka ng mga points dito, itong point na to, A0, pag kumuha ka ng isang point pa dito, ang x-coordinate is A, tas may y-coordinate siya na iba. Kapag kumuha ka naman ng point dito, the x-coordinate is A, tapos may y-coordinate siya. So, pwede mo itong ma-describe itong line na to as the set of points x, y such that the x-coordinate is A. Kaya ang magiging equation niya is x equal to A. So, pag nakakita kayo ng equation na x equal to a constant, vertical line lang yun na ang x-intercept ay yung constant A. So, drawing tayo ng kahit isa lang. Okay? So, example, kahit tag-isa. X equal to negative 3. So, that is a vertical line whose x-intercept is negative 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, yan yung graph niya. Okay? How about y equal to, let's say, y equal to 2. Y equal to 0, sige. So, kung y equal to 0, horizontal line passing through the y-intercept 0. Nasa ba si y-intercept 0? Iyan yun, diba? So, horizontal line. Ito siya. Okay. Bale siya yung x-axis. Ang equation pala ni x-axis is y equal to 0. O sige, anong equation ni y-axis? Gawin na nating tatlo example natin. So, simula tayo sa graph. Let's say, ang graph mo ito. Si y-axis. Okay, ayan. So, vertical line, ang equation niya is x equal to a constant, where the constant is the x-intercept. Pero ang x-intercept niya ay 0. So, ang graph ng y-axis is x equal to 0. Okay. There. So, thank you very much sa panonood na naman ng video. Sana natutunan niyo yung lesson natin ngayon. At kita-kits ulit sa mga susunod pang mga videos. Goodbye. Take care.